Let me be real with you for a second. If you're thinking about trading using just indicators, like no fundamentals, no news, no macro analysis, only pure signals on your chart, I get it. It sounds easy, right? Buy when it says buy, sell when it says sell, clean and simple. But here's the truth. No one really tells you indicators can help or they can completely mess you up. So let me walk you through what I've learned from actually doing this. No theory, just real life experience. I used to spend hours trying to learn all the strategies, price action, Fibonacci levels, trend lines, candlestick patterns. It felt like I needed a PhD just to enter a trade. That's when I started looking into indicators. The appeal is obvious. You get a signal and you take action. Some even give you alerts. It feels like you've got a shortcut. And honestly, it can work, but, and this is a big one, only if you understand what those indicators are actually telling you. Because here's the trap. When you rely 100% on indicators, you stop thinking. You follow blindly, you ignore context, and the market punishes that. I've tried moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, you name it. Sometimes they lined up perfectly, gave me great entries. Other times, I'd get false signals, late entries, or even signals that repainted after the fact. And yeah, that hurts. That's why I believe you can trade with just indicators, but you need the right ones. Not the free cluttered stuff with 5 lines overlapping on your chart. I'm talking about clean, logic-based indicators that actually give you clarity, not confusion. And that's when I started using tools like the ones from VIP Indicators. No joke. What stood out for me was how visual and straightforward the system is. You get arrows, you get confirmation, you get alerts, and best of all, it integrates right into TradingView. No fluff, no hype, no guessing. But just to be super clear, it won't trade for you. You still need a brain, you still need a strategy, but it gives you something that's actually useful, something you can rely on, not just for the entry, but for the confidence to stay in a trade. So yeah, if you're just starting out or you're tired of overcomplicating your charts with 12 indicators and no results, it might be time to simplify. And if you're curious to see the exact indicators I tested and still use, I left the link in the description. Check it out, watch their walkthrough, and make up your own mind. But whatever you do, don't blindly follow signals. Use tools to make better decisions, not to avoid thinking. Alright, that's it from me. If this helped, give the product a look and let me know what you think. Links below.